Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change out your dead battery on your Sony GP-VPT2BT. That's a mouthful, but basically it is the little shooting grip that you get for your Sony ZV-1. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is flip it over, extend these two legs out, and your battery is located on the back here. It's a two-step process. Move this little tab to the left and move this tab down. Move this one to the left first, tab down second, and then it releases this little door right here, and that is where your battery is. So it looks like you may have to remove these screws to get at the battery, but you really don't. All you have to do is flip this over, put your hand out, and the battery falls right out. Okay, so to put the new one in, all you do is drop it in with the positive side up. That's what the negative looks like. Positive has all the writing with the little positive sign, and all you do is drop that in. And it sits. That's it. And what happens is this little door pushes on that battery. What kind of battery is that? It is what's called a CR2032 type battery. Amazon sells them. I'll link in the description to this video for these exact batteries, and Duracell sells them as well. Maybe you get a little bit longer life out of the Duracells. I really don't know, but they're relatively inexpensive. Take the cover, make sure you line it up correctly like this, and then you want to make sure these tabs go in their respective spots like that, right? And then push, flip it over, and you should see a red light blink. Let's see if that red light blinks. There we go. There's the red light I'm talking about. So that means you have a good battery. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.